What's up, everybody? Skunk72 coming back at you with yet another vlog. From beautiful sunny Southern California. I already did one little vlog today, so this one's probably going to be another really short one. But today, hope you guys aren't sick of it, I'll be talking about a couple of new craft beers that I tried recently. If you live in Santa Clarita, there's a place called Michael's Liquor on the Canyon Country side of town. They specialize in having craft beers. So I've mentioned before that I really like porters and stouts. And winter just happens to be the season for porters and stouts. So the couple that I've tried recently, one is made by Ballast Point, and it is called Mocha Marlin. That one is a mocha porter, just a great all-around beer if you like porters. It's a little bit thick and heavy, so if you're not into that type of thing, it definitely would not be for you. If you're in like a light beer drinker or something, it's not going to be something you're going to like. So being that it is a mocha porter, it has a little bit of like a coffee mocha taste to it. I don't want to make it sound like you're going to be drinking a Frappuccino from Starbucks, because that's just not the case. It's a beer. You will get from it is a nice like chocolatey aftertaste. It's really hard to describe. You're gonna have to try it to find out. So the other one that I tried recently, also from Michael's Liquor, I went back there to get another 6-pack of the Mocha Marlin that I like so much, and they were already sold out. But I did come across one that's oddly enough called Mocha Merlin, M-E-R-L-I-N, Merlin. That one's made by Firestone Walker, and it's a stout beer. So it's not going to be as thick and as heavy as the Mocha Marlin, so if you're into lighter beers but you like that chocolatey aftertaste, the Firestone Walker Mocha Merlin would be a good one for you to try. The Mocha Merlin, really, it's not as strong of a taste. It's a lot smoother. If you've ever had a Guinness, you know Guinness, it looks very intimidating, but it's not. It's a really smooth beer. That's what this Firestone Walker Mocha Merlin's like. So I will spare you guys from any more of my opinions on beer, because I know everybody has different tastes. Just if you like porters and stouts, you might want to give those two a try. Now that I think about it, I'm almost out, so I'm going to be going hitting up Michael's Liquor on my way home to pick up a couple 6-packs. Worst feeling in the world is getting home from work and being out of beer. So, rubber side down, shiny side up, and I will talk to you all next time. I'm out.